Prestige Group, India's leading and well-known developer, is coming up with its new launch in Prestige City. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Fernleaf, which is located in Prestige City in East Bangalore, a project developed by Prestige Group. And in this teaser, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now, I'm standing in front of the marketing office. This is the marketing office of Prestige City, and land parcel of this project is exactly located just behind this tower. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number gets shared with multiple brokers. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. Prestige City, which is spread across 190 acres of land parcel in all. Now let's talk about where Fernleaf is right here, which is coming in 4 acres of land parcel with 2 towers of 2 basement ground plus 29 floors, having exclusive 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Additionally, this project will be having 350 units in this project. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located in the prime spot of Prestige City Township in Sarjapur, East Bangalore, surrounded with top school, hospital and entertainment center as well. So you can connect to Forum Mall, which is just located inside the township itself, and you can easily connect to RGA Tech Park in 10 minutes, Wipro Kodethi 10 minutes, Ajim Premji University is just 15 minutes away from the project, EcoSpace and Embassy Tech Park is just 15 minutes from the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and the project is coming up with world-class amenities, having its own clubhouse and indoor and outdoor amenities like swimming pool, jogging track, garden area, gymnasium, farmers market space and many more amenities. Now coming to the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with luxurious 2 and 3 BHK with different variants. 2 BHK is 1150 square feet. 3 BHK 2T is 1500 square feet, 3 BHK 3T is 1800 square feet, and 3 BHK 3T plus home office is 2000 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can visit our website www.housey.com, and you can stay tuned for more project detail, and they are starting EOI very soon. So everyone, this was a teaser of Fernleaf in Prestige City in Sarjapur, East Bangalore, a project developed by Prestige Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.